Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Victoria, and today I'm going to be unboxing an iPhone 13 Pro Max in the color Sierra Blue. It's going to be really exciting. I do have a couple other Apple unboxing videos on my channel, so if you're interested, please don't forget to check them out. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just get right into this video. For those of you who may know, I do own the iPhone 14 Pro Max. That is actually what I'm currently filming on. I have an unboxing video for that phone as well as the 14 Plus. But today we're going to be doing the 13 Pro Max. And the reasoning why I have this phone is because my iPhone 14 Pro Max, well, my original one got stolen and I was going on vacation literally to Mexico 2 days after. And I just had to get a temporary phone before I got my replacement phone, and the temporary phone in question would be the 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue. Sorry if I keep looking over here, guys. I'm like mirroring this on my iPad to make sure everything looks good, but let's just get right into it. The bag no longer is the center of attention. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Ooh. So this is what she's looking like, fresh out the box. So cute, so cute, so cute. It's the inside of the box here. Not sure how well you guys can see that. You know, it just comes with your charging cable, little instruction manual, the little Apple sticker inside. We all know this stuff, of course. Now let's get to the real deal, which is this beauty right here. And I don't know if you guys did notice, I did paint my nails to match this phone for this video because I'm so extra. But yes, so cute. This blue, like, I can't even get over it. This blue is beautiful. Like, I wish that the 14 Pro Max lineup came in this color because I would have gotten it so quickly. I'm obsessed with this blue. And I really need this color released in every model because I really want my phone in this color, but can't because they didn't have it in the 14 lineup. And I also really did want the 14 Pro Max, so just didn't work out that way for me. Let's just go ahead and peel this off. Love it. But yeah, here's the phone. She's looking good. It does seem like it may be a little lighter than my 14 Pro Max, but I'm not positive on that. I do have a screen cleaner right here. Once again, so sorry guys that I keep looking over here. I'm mirroring, and yeah, I just keep double checking to make sure everything looks good because my tripod's a little wobbly right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the screen off because I don't want, you know, fingerprints are a no over here. Let me get the camera a little bit. Yeah, that's how she's looking. It does come with 3 cameras, of course. The cameras are a little smaller than the cameras on my 14 Pro Max, I've noticed. But the quality to me seems just about the same. Nothing too drastic at all. Let me go ahead and clean the front here. And wipe. This is so satisfying, honestly. Okay, so here we are, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this beautiful baby on. Like, guys, she is just so pretty. I am obsessed with this color. This is so far my favorite color, like out of all the models. I just love this so much. There's that Apple logo we all know and love. Where's the hello? Like, there we go. One for the hello, the greeting, you know? Then of course, just go through your normal setup and everything, just like normal. I do have a few cases that I got for this phone, but don't need them, obviously. I actually only bought 1 case for this phone, and the rest I was just using my iPhone 14 Pro Max case, which I wouldn't recommend because they don't quite fit the same. I can show you what I mean by that. Right here we have just a clear case because I really wanted to show off this blue that is meant for the 13 Pro Max, and this is how it looks. Fits perfect, no issues here. Go ahead and take this off and show you guys what this phone looks like with a 14 Pro Max case. like I said, it was just a temporary phone, so I didn't want to like buy a bunch of cases for it. I just wanted to, you know, like use some of my old cases. And it does like fit into the case, but the camera doesn't line up properly. The buttons may not line up properly either, but honestly, that's okay. This is like a cute little mirrored chrome case thing that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. And you can see what I mean by the camera obviously doesn't line up properly. It does fit the phone. The volume buttons fit the same. Honestly, I can hit the lock button too. So it really just is the camera that's a little off, which is not that big of a deal for me. Like I said, it was a temporary phone anyway, but she is just so stinking cute. I do have another case here. It's literally the same thing, but in a matte black version. You know, gotta try out the different colors. Pretty cool, looks similar, just the camera obviously doesn't fit properly. Wouldn't recommend, but if you absolutely need to, you'll be fine. It'll work out. I have this other one right here. This is also meant for the 14 Pro Max, guys. I do have a lot of 14 Pro Max cases. This one actually looks super cute. I don't know why, but like the little flowers, that is so stinking cute. I want a phone in this color so bad. Like, I cannot stress that enough. I feel like my nails say it all. Like, if you're a blue lover like me, I'm like, my favorite color is Carolina blue. But, well, I feel like that's a little contradicting because like my channel's filled with pink. But yeah, pink is my second favorite color. Carolina blue is my first favorite color, believe it or not. But yeah, if you're a blue lover, this phone is for you. I'll stop talking and just show you guys this beauty. Here she is. Here is the phone displayed on my clear acrylic phone stand, which I got from Amazon. This will be linked in my Amazon storefront that I will have linked in the description if you're interested. And here is the wonderful phone. We love her. Just want you guys to check her out again. There's really nothing much to this video, despite the fact that I just wanted to unbox this with you guys and show you how pretty it was. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, like I said earlier, if you're interested in other unboxing videos, I do have a few more over on my channel, and I will leave that somewhere here. It'll be here. So you guys can go ahead and check that out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.